Shopping, it is the present participle of shop. Shopping, when used as a noun, means the process of buying goods or services, or searching for items that are suitable to buy. I usually do grocery shopping on Thursdays. Shopping, used as a noun, can also mean recently bought goods. 3 bags of shopping. Great end of season sales. Shopping as a noun also refers to an area's combination of stores, infrastructure, and products available for people who want to shop.
The Oculus Mall is in New York City. The building's architecture is a work of art. It's a wonderful shopping experience.